The NEU Master Cordless 2-in-1 leaf blower and vacuum is a versatile and lightweight tool designed to simplify your yard maintenance tasks. With its convenient 2-in-1 design, this cordless device seamlessly transitions between a leaf blower and vacuum, offering flexibility and versatility for various cleaning needs. Despite its compact size, weighing only 2.2 pounds, this leaf blower packs a punch with its strong wind power. Equipped with turbofans and a built-in motor, it can reach air speeds of up to 142 miles per hour, making it effective for clearing wet leaves, pine needles, and even light snow from your car. The NEU Master Leaf Blower features 7 variable speeds, allowing you to adjust the airflow according to your specific cleaning requirements. Whether you're sweeping the yard, garage, driveway, or cleaning the interior of your car, this blower provides the power and precision needed for efficient results. With its upgraded extended tube, this leaf blower offers enhanced flexibility and maneuverability, ensuring easy cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. The inclusion of a 20V 2.0R lithium-ion battery and fast charger provides convenient cordless operation, with compatibility across all NEU Master 20V cordless tools. The effective accessories set, including a fast charger, lithium battery, blow tube, collective nozzle, reusable collection bag, and vacuum connector, enhances the efficiency of daily cleaning tasks around the house. NEU Master stands behind the quality of their product, offering a 2-year warranty for peace of mind and customer satisfaction. In summary, the NEU Master Cordless 2-in-1 leaf blower and vacuum impresses with its compact yet powerful design, variable speeds, effective accessories, and warranty coverage, making it an essential tool for effortless yard maintenance and cleaning tasks around the home.